Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I want to explain recursion because I realized a lot of people don't understand recursion based on the definition they always give, and today I'll give you something that helps you understand it. I don't want to write the code, I just want to explain it, and today I want to explain recursion to you better than how anyone has ever explained it to you ever. So now let's get started. There's a difference between loop and recursion. Loop is when you run a process on different items. For example, maybe I add one to this, I add one to this, I add one to this, up to the last number, right? Here, if there is a last number. And loop will terminate when it gets to the last point, right? That is it. That's what it does. It terminates. And if there is no stopping point, it goes to infinity, right? That is a loop. It keep going to the final point. And if there is no final point, it goes to infinity. That's how it works. And that is totally different from recursion. So what is recursion? Recursion is a case or a situation where a process is run on different items. For example, maybe we add one to each of them. We add one to this one, we add one to this one, and it gets to this one, we add one to it. What happens again? It goes back to the beginning to start the same process again. Add one again. It gets to here, then it goes back to the beginning again. It gets here, it goes back to the beginning again. That is what is called recursion, right? That is exactly what is called recursion, because it goes back to the beginning to repeat the same operation on the same elements. Unlike loop, it only does the operation once on each of the elements. But recursion will keep repeating the process, until there is a stopping point, if there is. So we have so many examples of recursion in the real world, and I'll give you one. And we have days of the week. It's a kind of recursion because it goes from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then it goes back to what? It goes back to Monday again. And that is why it is recursion. It goes back to the beginning. That is no loop. So that is a natural example of recursion, and that is exactly what I want to tell you today. And if you have never seen my face before, this is my real face. Mark that.